Yo, what's happening, Muli Punch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Zina langani titi, dimankala ku no ku USA koma dimachogela ku Botswana. Zambia, Botswana together. I've been reacting to Roberto's music for few years now. Roberto is one of my favorite artists to come out of Zambia, one of the OGs actually in Zambian music. I felt like not the first time, but I felt like those years when I was listening to Zambian music, my early experiences with Zambian music, the name Robert, it's hard for me to not say Roberto. Roberto was there, you know what I mean? So he's been holding it down, rebranding, adjusting with time. Like, I'm sure if you're encountering his music in this last 2 years, you would think he's a new artist because he has rebranded and it works. So here we go. Commitment, that's the name of the song. I don't know if I told you earlier, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Hit that like button too. It is for the algorithm.
This is melodic sound.
It's a brotherhood ding.
My name is Roberto. Kulibanga go conda the way I do. Nobody can do. You're my favorite. My miss is right. So baby, boy, I go know. Oh. Niko lang is that for love. Nimago pembelera. Cause you're my joy.
Hey, hold on. There are some lyrics on this. Let's see.
Nobody can do. You're my favorite. My miss is right.
Hey.
So baby, boy, I go know. Oh. Niko lang is that for love.
And you know what's the funniest thing? No, this is not that funny. If this is your first time watching these reactions, for some, I don't know if is he speaking Nyanja or what, but for some weird reason, I always understand most of the words that Roberto is saying. Maybe it's because he's saying them clearly for us amateurs to understand. But yeah, I always understand most of the words. Like, I can understand his song. Yeah.
So baby, boy, I go know. Oh. Niko lang is that for love.
Like, baby, come here. Let me show you love. I have prayed for you.
My joy. I want you daily, from Monday to Sunday. Tagolin all umbe. Baby, I want you only. Nigga for now on a daily, from Monday to Sunday. I don't want no other one, cause I want you only. The person ni posaina ni lembebo, nilangize commitment. Tighty, say together. Say tighty forever. The person ni posaina ni dindepo, nilangize commitment.
Show me commitment.
Baby, come my way. My way. Comfortable, and I wanna bless that day you not bad. So me see any let me show. Oh, you need tell so long, let me show. Wake you up on a Sunday, thank the Lord you came my way. Cause I want you daily, from Monday to Sunday. Tagolin all umbe, baby, I want you.
Yo, like this, the music, the beats on this, everything, the video, crazy stuff. Obviously, the vocals with Roberto, up the rank.
Nigga for now on a daily, from Monday to Sunday. I don't want no other one, cause I want you only. The person ni posaina ni lembebo, nilangize commitment. Tighty, say together. Say tighty forever. The person ni
we're tight forever.
Nilangize commitment. Baby, won't you come my way? Baby, come my way. My way, my way, my way. Nipasa nipasa ina nilembepo. Nilangize commitment. Tighty, tighty, say together. Say tighty, tighty forever. Nipasa nipasa ina nidindepo. Nilangize commitment. Baby, won't you come my way? Baby, come my way. My way, my way, my way. Baby, won't you come my way?
Ah, beautiful stuff, man.
Even more sounds.
It's a brotherhood thing, thing, thing.
Yeah, beautiful stuff, Roberto. Still holding it down, still doing big things out there in Zambia, man. I think the Zambian music industry is very safe and is able to keep a lot of people going. Like you look at all these artists that have been there for years, like your Mighty Twos and General, what's that like Rough Kid. There's so many Bombshell, Wherezy. These guys have been there for a long time and they are still holding it down. That means you guys are supporting them, which is so good because you know you need that. Thank you so much for watching this, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that. Please go check out Roberto's YouTube page. Like I'm telling you guys, you can watch things from like 2013, 14. The videos are like timeless. Okay, like they are masterpieces. Plus, Roberto seems like he does not age. He just like turned 20 and he just decided to stop there. So yeah, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy his music if you go and if you can just like take your time to go check it out. So thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side.